Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your test episode, dear students. You hope all know. So today, what we are going to learn? Today, we are going to learn, my dear students, chapter number 10, explanations. Okay. Yesterday, I was started the chapter number 10, time. Okay, my dear students. So now let's move on our chapter. Okay. So my dear students, we will check here today's code and then we will move on. Okay, my dear students. So first of all, let's check here today's code and then after we will start our session. So what is a today's code? Today's code is when you focus on the good gets better. What my dear students, understood all of you what I am telling you? When you focus on the good gets better. It's a today's quote. Now my dear students, will move on further our session. So let's check here our session. My dear students, today's our topic is what? Today's our topic is telling the time before and after. What is the meaning of before? Means now what is it? Now we are watching a video. So what you do before showing a video. Okay, before a video started a video, what you are doing? Okay, and after a video, so you should do the homework. So we have to check the telling the time before and after. Got my points, my dear students? Understood what I am telling you? Here today, my dear students, we are going to learn a new topic. Is what? Today we are going to learn here what? Today here we are going to learn telling the time before and after. Here one example, and by example we are going to learn this topic. Okay, by this image and this two globe. Using of two clothes, and by this example we are going to learn telling the time before and after. Understood, my dear students? It's a very easy chapter. So now first of all I am starting here. So what to do, my dear students? Telling the time before and after. So this is the time. This is the time that Nidhi boards train. Okay, she is a Nidhi, name of one lady. She will reach her destination. Destination means any place after one hour. Okay, after 1 hour. When will she reach her destination? What, my dear students? See, again I repeat and you properly understood. Okay. She is the time that Nidhi board the train. Means he wants to go out of the station and is a what? See, first of all, how can we know what is time? So first of all, we check the hour hands and minute hand. Hour hands and minute hands. My points, my dear students, understood all of you? Hour hand and minute hands. Okay. So dear, how can we know what is time it? How can we check? The first of all we check the hour hand, then after minute hands. So see here, my dear students, where is the minute hand? Minute hand is on the 3. Okay, what is the meaning of 3? 3 is 15. Okay, 1 is 5 minutes, 2 is 10 minutes, and 3 is, my dear students, 15 minutes. Understood? And now here we will check the which hand? Hour hand. Which hand, my dear students? So here we will going to check the hour hand. So time now is 8:15. 8:15. Got my points, my dear students? 8:15. So this is the time that Nidhi boards the train. Okay, she will reach her destinations after 1 hour. How many hours? See here, 1 hour. What we have to do, my dear students? Okay, we have to check these things. See, 1 hour. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you, she is this is a time means 8:15 that Nidhi boards the train. she will reach, okay, she will reach destination after a 1 hour. When will she reach her destination? Okay, means he is her train is 8:15 and she reach will after a 1 hour. So what we have to do? We have to do the addition. 8:15 plus 1 hour. See, this is here. Okay, 8:15 plus 1 is equal to 9:15. See, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9 and 15 as it is. I'll show you here, dear. See. What I am telling you, my dear students. Here, okay, see, it's the downside. Okay, it's the image of, means is the addition. Okay, my dear students, what I'm telling you. See, my dear students, time after a 1 hour, 8:15 plus 1 hour is equal to 9:15. So C's train time is 8:15. Okay, then after she reach her destination, its time is 9:15. So before time is 8:15 and after time is 9:15. Understood, my dear students, what I am telling you here? Okay, telling the time before and after. Okay, here name of the one lady, its name is what, my dear students? Its name is Nidhi. Got my points? And she wants to go her destination. Where she wants to go her destination, my dear students? So her train time is 8:15 and after 8:15 she will reach her destination. Okay, and what is the time of the day? She is reach her destination. Her destination is 1 hour. How many, my dear students? 1 hour. See here, 1 hour. So my dear students, question is what? Actually question is there, when will she reach her destination? Means we have to find the time. What, my dear students? We have to find the time. Time after a 1 hour, 8:15 plus 1 hour is equal to 1 hour is equal to 1 means is equal to 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour is equal to 9:15 is time. So it's the what? It's the what? First 8:15 is before time and after time. Here is. Okay, my dear students, put my points. Understood all what I am telling you? So this is the first example of time before and after. Now we move on further, dear. Second example. She will reach, okay, she will reach at the 9:15. Okay, she will reach where? She will reach at 9:15. Okay, got my points, my dear students. See, it's a sentence here, half sentence. Understood? Okay, again I repeat, my dear students, for you all. Okay, her train time is, means her train time is 8:15. Got my points, my dear students? 8:15. Okay, and after 1 hour she reached her destination. After 1 hour she reached her destination. Got my points, my dear students, what I am telling you? Okay, that is a two way. So first of all is what, my dear students? First of all here is, I'll repeat you for you, my dear students, 8:15. See, 8:15. Then after, my dear students, we have to do the plus. We have to put the plus symbol. Plus 1 hour. what my dear students, plus 1 hour. Okay, so we have to put here 1 hour. 1 hour. Okay, so I put here 1 hour. And now what is the time of after she reach her destination? So its time is what? Its time is 9:15. What my dear students? 9:15. Understood? Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you? Okay, see. Understood all of you? It's a time. Okay, that is the first example we have done here. Again I explain you, her train time is 8:15. After 1 hour she reached her destination, and 8:50 is what? Her train time. Okay, her train time, okay, is 8:15, and after 1 hour she will reach what? She will reach her destination. Got my points, my dear students? So what is the time now? 9:15. Got my points, my dear students? Understood all of you what I am telling you here? Okay, so now my dear students, here we will move on a next example where we have to reach on second example. What is the second example? Second example is what? This is a time now. Okay, this is a time now, so we have to check time. Okay, Sharik boarded the train 2 hours ago. At the what time did Sharik board the train? Time now is 9:45. So time 2 hours ago, 9:45 minus 2 hours is equal to 7:45. So Shamim boarded the train at the 7:45. Okay, my dear students, I am going to explain this matter. So my dear students, let's check here what I am telling you here. This is the time. This is the time now. See, first of all we have to check our hands. Which hands? Our hand means a small. Where is the small hand? So see here, between a 10 or 9. Where? 9 or 10 in between. Okay, so what is my dear students time? And then after we are going to check the minute hand. Where is the minute hand? So minute hand is, see my dear students, on 9. So what is the 9 show? 9 shows 45. Okay, 9 shows 45 minutes. Got my points, my dear students? 9 is showing a 45 minutes. Got my points, my dear students? Understood all of you? Okay, so 9 shows 45 minutes. So time is what? 9:45. Why we are mentioning here 9:45? So our hand is on between 9 or 10. Okay, and minute hand is on 9. Got my points, my dear students? Understood all of you? So Sadiq boarded the train 2 hours ago. Okay, 2 hours ago means we have to check the before time. Okay, this example of before I am writing here, my dear students, for you. Before, okay, before time, we have to find the before time. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you here? Before time, we have to check the before time. Okay, so now my dear students, we are going to check the before time. Sharik boarded the train 2 hours ago. Okay, so means time is what? 9:45. Time is what, my dear students? Time is what, dear? 9:45. So what we have to do? 9:45 before 2 hours. Okay, so I am writing here 9 before what? Which digit will come? 8. And before 8, 7. So 7:45. How can we do, my dear students? As like that we are going to check. So now time is 9:45 minus how many hours, my dear students? 2 hours. Okay, and what is the time is equal to how many left, my dear students? How many left, my dear students? Is equal to 2. Okay, so what is the time? 7:45. Put my points, my dear students, what I am telling you here. See, 9:45 minus 2 hours, okay, is equal to 7:45. Got my points, my dear students? This is a before time. Okay, so time now, time 2 hours ago. We have to find the 2 hours ago time. Got my point, my dear students, what I am telling you? So Samim boarded at the train at 7:45. Where, my dear students? At 7:45. Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Now we will move on further. Okay, so now directly we will move on further, my dear students. Exercise number 10A. We have to write the quarter. Okay, we are going to learn quarter, or what, my dear students? Quarter past or half. My dear students, now we will move on exercise number 10A. And what is the question? So first question is match. We have to match what is time, and we have to find the clock, and we have to match it. Understood, my dear students? Got my points, what I am telling you? Okay, so we are going to match. First of all, we are match the first question number A, B, C and D. 4 question and 4 clock are present in here. So what we have to do? We have to first check the time, and then after we attach with pencil. What my points, my dear students? Okay, so now I am going to start the exercise number 10A, question number 1. Okay, my dear students, so now you do with me in your book, my dear students. No need to draw. If you have any textbook, so my dear students, so you do with me. Otherwise you are do in your draft book. Understood all? So now exercise number 10A, question number first. What is the first question? Question number first is match. Okay, so first question is match. Question A, quarter past 10. What, my dear students? Quarter past 10 means quarter means what? 45. The time is 45 minutes. If the minute hand is on a 45, so what should we mention? We mention their quarter. Okay, so I am telling you here, we will going to find a quarter. Okay, and okay, you don't know the quarter. So if you know the 10, okay, if you know the 10, so in which clock? We have a 4 clock, so we are going to find the in which clock the time is 10, means our hand is on between 9 or 10. So let's find the first. In first watch, see, no, minute hand and overhand is both on where? 3. Okay, then after on 3, then after B clock. So see, my dear students, second clock. So what is the second clock? On second clock is time is C. Minute hand is on 3, means 15, and in between 10 or 11 is a overhand. So no. Okay, then after third clock. So see, third clock, my dear students, 9 and 10 in between a overhand. Yes, is this correct? And now it's not a final, but again we check the minute hand. Where is the minute hand? On 9. So we are correct. If a minute hand is on a 9, So what is 9 show? 9 shows is 45 minutes. So yes, it is a correct. Okay, so time is what? Time is what, my dear students? 10:45. Okay, means quarter past 10. Okay, means time is what, my dear students? 10:45. Understood, my dear students? So what is this, my dear students? No, this is a knot. Okay, and now at last clock. What, my dear students? Last clock. We have to find the time. Okay, so is it 3 or 9? So again we are little confused, my dear students. So we have to say what, my dear students? We have to say, see here. So my dear students, what we have to do here? We have to find here we have to check the last clock. Okay, it's not, or last. We have to check only the last clock. So what is the time of this clock? See, minute hand is on 9. Okay, minute hand is on 9. So it's not a, see, we have to check the minute hand or hour hand. So hour hand is on 3 and minute hand is on 9. So it's not correct. So which is a correct, my dear students? See the second option, second clock. See, what is the time, my dear students? I zoom it. See, the hour hand is on a 10. Okay, and minute hand is on 15. So after 45 minutes, time is what? 10. Time is what, my dear students? Time is what, my dear students? 11 o'clock. Okay, means after a 10 o'clock quarter time. Okay, means 15 minutes is gone. So we have to match, we have to correct the answer. Students, what to do all? We have to correct. Okay, and what is time? We are going to write the time. 10:50. Okay, my dear students, time is what? 10:50. Got my points? Now we will move on further, my dear students. Quarter to 10. Okay, past means what, my dear students? Past means is a 15 minutes, it's done. Now quarter to 10. So we are going to find the quarter to 10. Okay, so see, my dear students, this clock. So our hand is between a 10 or 11, means on a 10. Okay, and a minute hand is on 9, means after a 10 o'clock 45 minutes is gone. So time is what, my dear students? Time is what? 10:45. Okay, my dear students, time is what? 10:45? No, 9:45 or 10:45? 9:45. Got my points, my dear students? Time is 9:45. After a 15 minutes, it's in a what? Convert to a 10 o'clock. That's why here is a mention a 10. Got my points, my dear students? I am going to correct this answer. Okay, dear. Got my points, what I am telling you here? Okay, so now we are going to write the time. 9:45. 9:45, my dear students. Okay, then after, my dear students, question number C. So time is what? 2:45. So we have to find the minute hand is on 2. So only we have to left the 2 clock. So here is a what? Minute hand or hour hand is both on 3. Okay, and here is, my dear students, let's check. Here is our hand is on 3. So what we have to do? We are going to find. What we are going to find? Here minute hand is on 45, means is on 9. Yes, exactly, it's on a 45, means on a 9. So we are do the correct here. Okay, my dear students, got my points? What I am telling you here. Okay, then after we are going to write the time. So I am writing here the time. 2:45. Okay, in different way, my dear students. Last option we have a left, my dear students, 3:15. So 3:15. So we have to check the minute hand and hour hand is both on where? On 3. Okay, so option is what, my dear students? Option is first clock. Okay, option is what, my dear students? First clock. First clock. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? Now we will move on further, my dear students. Question number 2. Okay, so what we have to do, my dear students? We have to write the time. Okay, shade the minutes that have passed after a 6. Okay, and write the times, means we have to write the time after a what? After a 6:30. See here the 6:30. Time is what, my dear students? 6:30. So we have to write here, my dear students, time after a 6:30. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you here? Okay, so now we are going to write. Okay, so I am going to write here, my dear students. Second, one is done for you, and second. Okay, so first of all, what we have to check? We have to check where is a overhand. So see here, they told us after a 6. So no need to check here only 6, because of in all clock have a overhand is on a 6. So we have to only find the minute hands. Today we are going to learn only 2 or 4 clock. Okay, and then after in next lecture we are completing a whole question. Okay, so now, my dear students, a B. Question number B is what? Our hand is on between 6 or 7, and minute hand is what, my dear students? 7. Okay, as per I told you, my dear students, we give a number, we give a minutes. Okay, 12 means 16 minutes. 1 is 5 minutes, 2 is 10 minutes, 3 is, my dear students, 15 minutes, 4 is 20 minutes, 5 is 25 minutes, 6 is 30 minutes, 7 is 35 minutes, 8 is 40 minutes, 9 is 45 minutes, 10 is 50 minutes, and 11 is 55 minutes, and 12 is 16 minutes. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you here? Okay, so what we have to do? We are going to write here the time of second clock. So what is time of second clock, my dear student? 6:35. What, my dear student? 6:35. It's the time of the second clock. Understood all, my dear students? It's the time of second clock. Now we will move on, my dear students. Question number C. Okay, so see, my dear students, where is the overhand? Overhand is on between 6 or 7. Okay, and minute hand is on 8. So 8. So my dear students, how many minutes? 40 minutes. Okay, 40 minutes. So my dear students, here we are going to mention 6:40. What, my dear student? 6:40. Okay, so I am going to write here the time 6:40. Okay, got my points? Now last question number D. What is the question number D, my dear students? Question number D. So overhand is comes on a 7 and minute hand is on 9. So what, as per I told you, 9 is 45 minutes. 9 is shows 45 minutes. How many, my dear students? 9 is shows 45 minutes. So time is what? 6:45. Got my points, my dear students? 6:45. Understood all, my dear students? 9:30. See, 6:35, 6:40 and 6:45. Got my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. Okay, my dear, now we will move on next session, and in next session we are going to learn a further question E, F, G or H. Today's your homework is what, my dear students? Question number A or question number B in your rough book. If you have any textbook, so my dear students, you do in your textbook. Thank you so much my dear for watching this video. Thank you so much all of you. Thank you all.